Your keyboard is disgusting, and you have been cleaning it wrong this whole time. Most people spend money on special cleaning tools or compressed air cans, but there is a completely free solution sitting on your desk right now. Take a regular sticky note from your pad. Slide the adhesive edge between your keyboard keys and drag it through slowly. The sticky part grabs all the dust, crumbs, and debris trapped in those gaps. You can see everything coming out in real time. Go between every single row of keys. The sticky note bends perfectly to reach those tight spaces that nothing else can access. Once you finish, your keyboard looks brand new. This works on laptop keyboards too. The best part is, you probably have sticky notes already, so this hack costs $0. One sticky note can clean your entire keyboard. Do this once a week, and your keyboard stays pristine. No more gross buildup between keys. No more expensive cleaning products. Just a simple sticky note doing all the work for you.